Welcome, my dear students. I, Dr. Udugde BV, here going to provide information on one online e-learning platform provided by ICMR in association with NIN, that is National Institute of Nutrition. Under Poshan Abhiyan, ICMR in association with NIN provided e-learning platform. In this COVID-19 situation, nutrition plays an important role to build immunity against this infection. Hence, it is an important or worthy to learn nutrition in detail. This platform can be used to learn facts related with nutrition. Here, I'm going to provide you little bit information regarding how to register for this course and how to assess various e-learning modules and how to get certificate from nationally recognized ICMR NIN. Hence, let's start with this small video. After watching this video, you will be able to sign up, learn various modules and download certificate. Now let's start. First, you have to sign up yourself. Here we are having sign up button. Click on that. After clicking on sign up button, you have to fill basic information, your name, full name. This name will be there on your certificate. You have to write your name which is mentioned on class 10 mark sheet. After that, you have to input date of birth, gender, state, email ID, mobile number, username, and you have to provide one password. I have already signed up. Now you can sign up using this info by filling information. After sign up, you have to log in into your into account. I am going to log in. After logging, you will see a small 18 minutes video which will give information regarding National Institute of Nutrition, Hyderabad, and here below you will be able to learn various basic things regarding nutrition. After that, you can also assess various modules named mother health and nutrition, infant and young children's feeding, anemia, food fortification, immunization, wash, non-communicable disease, physical activity, uh, diarrhea, and adolescent nutrition. All these modules are available. After watching this video, first introductory video, you can start with modules. First module, here you have to uh, answer 10 questions and you will be able to download your certificate if your marks are above 50%. Now, first question, all these questions are in Hindi, so answer the questions. I'm just answering very quickly for your information. काम करने के लिए यह ऊर्जा कौन सा पोषक तत्व देता है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट। मक्खन, घी और तेल कौन सा पोषक तत्व देता है? वसा। रतौंधी का या कम रोशनी में नहीं दिखलाई देने वाली बीमारी कौन से विटामिन की कमी से होती है? इट इज़ बी, सॉरी, ए, विटामिन ए। स्कर्वी या मसूड़ों से खून बहने की शिकायत किस? विटामिन सी। खून के बहाव रोकने के लिए विटामिन के। थायराइड हार्मोन की उत्पादन के में कौन सा पोषक तत्व मदद करता है? आयोडीन। हाँ, हाँ, यह if after answering all this, okay, great, the 10 marks I have, means 10 out of 10 score is there. You can download your certificate. I think certificate is downloaded. Yes, it is. You can see that certificate mentioned name and program, nutrition education program that you have completed. Now I request all students, this is one certificate, you can earn 11 certificates because 11 modules are there in this Poshan Abhiyan e-learning ICMR NIN modules. So I request you all to appear for this course and earn certificate. This Poshan e-learning ICMR NIN modules also going to provide valuable information which can be used for daily life, and we can fight corona by using nutrition, by using nutritious things in our diet. So I request you to complete these courses. Thank you for watching.